Alright, y'all, welcome back to another Vertical VR video today. Today, we're going to be going from the worst loadout to one of the best in the game, in my opinion. I might be called a fake Apex, I might be called trash, people might be talking to me because I have a terrible loadout. Yeah. But I hope y'all enjoy, and let's get right into this video. I'll be honest, dude. And yeah, and they immediately hop on. You see, that's the downfall of being Apex. This is my loadout. They're winning, bro. It's GG's. Whatever. Just gotta know how to move with it. And we only have one gun. Like, bro, let's actually lock in.
On my Oculus, it goes
Round starting.
my friend Oliver.
Using the gun. Brick. Stuck. Don't punch him. Let's go! What the? Oh, let's go! Oh my, bro, I just clutched. Oh my, I just clutched. Oh my, with the clutch. Okay. I think the bomb killed him. Let's go. Okay, I killed him. Come on, team. No! Bro, I need more stuff. I only have one gun. I only have one gun. Pride. And I'm killing the higher rank. And my team
Round starting.
No! I try to use the box. Alright. I try to use the boxing glove. I don't think that's very much working out for me. Okay. Oh, this is my stupid sniper team. Y'all, the double team! I have a terrible loadout. Let's go! Come on, bro, with the clutch. I'm just spamming, you know? But that's what happens. Do whatever it takes. And is everybody muted or something? Not one person's talking.
Round starting.
Birdie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We on that. Oof. Oh, let's go, team! I love my team. I love you. Next round's gonna be a better loadout. So I'm gonna do way better. And I'm just spamming them, you know? But hey, man. I was do expecting to. Not putting off the dang boxing glove. And I got hit. Dang it. Alright, whatever. Oh my. Alright, this is actually time vlogging. Come on, teammate, we just need 2 more wins.
Round starting.
Don't do nothing stupid. 40? Let's go, teammate, I love you. I love you so much. I love you, teammate. I'm spamming this whole round. Y'all could really cry. I have 1,000 to... Oh.
Round starting.
Glaze. Oh my! Oh my! Yo! We actually just won our first round. Let's go and let's get back into it. Oh, yo, GG's, man. Y'all are good. I had a terrible loadout. He just flipped me off. Oh my, bro, my teammate was actually low-key clutching. Alright, better loadout now. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna go with that. Straight the boxing glove. No, that's a little bit too good. Too good. No, actually. Oh, thank you.
Hey, Lumber, if
have to cut so much stuff out of the video, which sucks. Up on, bro. I'm literally in 892 gold, which is not that much. Oh, I hate this map. I freaking hate this. Well, I don't hate it, but it's not the best. Okay. I missed all my shots. I was literally getting 2v1. I really couldn't. I really could not do nothing. Let's go. And it's okay if we lose. I mean, we're still gonna go into the next round with a way better loadout. We're double teaming, I don't care. Let's go! My team is at Apex now. Let's go. W's, bro. Spam W's, bro. W Apex. W Apex in the comments. Hey, no, I missed all my shots. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, with the clutch, bro. With the clutch, dude. I don't want to make this video too long. For me. Oh no, my teammate won. Where the freak did he go? 34?
Teammate, I hit purple for 160. He's up, he's up. He's up flying with katana. Oh, he's down. He's up. He's up. Oh, he's flying up. He's flying
Oh
up.
my gosh, these things are clutch.
Let's go.
These things are so clutch. I love them.
Let's go. High five.
Let's go, teammate.
Round starting.
High five. This is great.
I'm cooking with like the worst loadout in this. Oh, there we are. 32. Oh my bro, I might actually just start normally just using this loadout because it is insane. This loadout is crazy. I thought it was a bad loadout. It's actually. He only made one shot. Let's lock it. Yeah, my teammate first that. Come on, teammate. He's hecka low.
Teammate, is he low?
Yes, and I don't have a mic to tell you, and it sucks. Teammate, he's literally about to die. One step in the wrong direction. Come on, teammate. Come on. Yes! Oh, I love you, teammate. Alright, y'all. Okay, next loadout. Here we come. Alright, and the next loadout is gonna be my loadout personally, which is one of the best. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go with shotgun. This is 4. Dang, I have 0. I only have 1. Oh, this one. Alright, this is actually pretty. This is oh, the freak. Never mind. Come on, bro. Oh, what is this kid doing? We might lose this round. Ah, he's fake. He's up. How do I suck? I suck? What did I do? And why am I getting the worst map? Why do I have the worst match? I don't want to burst this trash. But still, alright, there's gonna be the loadout. That ain't bad. heck is wrong with my gun? Yo, why is my... Wait, hold on. I don't know if y'all caught that. I'm not sure. But why did my gun, like, it did, like, a white thing to, like, guide you? I think y'all might have seen that. But I can't just snipe these kids.
Round starting.
Which just sucks. Hey. Bro, he's not dead? Bro, is my teammate okay? Look at that, bro. Like, teammate, let's actually lock in, bro.
Round starting.
What the frick? Yo, the glaze is unreal. Bro, whoa! Yo, what? Yo, no way, no way. Alright, I'm actually locking up. I wasn't trying at first because I actually felt bad, but okay. Actual lock-in time. Come on, in. Yeah, stupid. Bro. Okay. Let me get this bar straight. I hit him for Hecka, right? I hit him with that does 60 damage. How is this kid not dead? Yep. 5-0. I'm embarrassed. Alright, I'm embarrassed. Say I'm a fake aim as they all right. That was freaking terrible, but no. We're gonna go. Diamond. Not too much exchange. I'll take it. I'm actually quite good at that. I have my real load out. No, somebody hop on, bro. Come on. Oh, no, bro. Oh, it's XP farming. Nope. Hop on, bro. I'm only... But he's literally Apex Fringe. He's better ranked. Don't freaking hop on. That's what I'm saying. It cannot be that scary. And your teammate's scared. Bro. Somebody just hop on. Dang, bro. Oh, it's like that gets annoying, bro. Just because I'm an Apex Major, bro. Like, come on, quit the glaze. Hop on. Alright. I have a chance. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's trash. I'll give him a chance. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, because it's the last part, and I'm done. I'm done, so I'm doing the day. Video and all that. Why the frick are those? Cause I was trying to get my gun and kept on getting the dang bomb. Okay. We're double teaming my teammate. This is what it is. Just gonna watch. Teammate, don't lock in.
You're insane. I hate you.
I'm facing him this time, and I'm gonna fry him.
I got this now.
No, stay back. Nah, stay back. I got
Round
this.
starting.
Oh, I missed. 65. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Love y'all.